How to update the city map on 2GIS. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can update the city maps on 2GIS. So how do you update the city map? It is very simple and straightforward. Just pay attention. The first step is for you to launch the 2GIS application on your Android or iOS device. Then once you've done that, on the home page, as you can see on my screen, move to the right side and click on the 3 horizontal lines. Once you've done that, a box will be displayed. So once this box is displayed, you can see loading cities, find route, share, geoposition, etc. So go ahead to click on loading cities. Yours could be find cities depending on your location, all right? Whichever one, just click on it. Then you'll see the list of cities from the menu. If updates are available, you'll see an update button next to the city name. So just tap on the updates to download the update. And after the update is downloaded, you would restart the 2GIS app to apply the changes. Now, for example, you can see the cities that are on my screen. So I can just go ahead to tap on it to load the city. And after downloading the city, for me, if there's an update for that city, I'll also see the update button next to the city. All I need to do is tap on it, and then once I've done that, the city will be updated, and I would restart the application in order to apply the changes made. So this is basically it. This is how you can update the city maps on 2GIS. Thank you for watching and have a good day.